So this is my submission for assignment 2 for the course Com 3122 Applied Data Science. My name is Jai Kumar and my student ID is 101236674. So for part A, we had to play outdoor tennis, and according to the weather conditions, we have to find out if we can play outside or not. So I created my model here. It's tennis.csv file which I imported, and it has three features: the temperature in Celsius, the precipitation in Boolean, and the wind speed in kilometers per hour. And the label that I used is playable. So if we can play outside, then it is 1, and if we cannot, it's 0. So first of all, we imported all the libraries that we needed for this project. The part A. For the decision tree classifier, I used a tree from sklearn, scikit-learn. I imported pandas for reading the CSV file and numpy for the array formation. First of all, we read the CSV file and then split it into features and labels. So tx here is the feature and ty is the label. Now we will create our decision tree classifier, which we'll name as CLF. Now we'll use okay, so let's run this and this. So now we'll feed the classifier data about tx and ty, and it comes up with a lot of features. Yes. So now we'll create three different unseen test data that the classifier hasn't seen. And let's go. So for the first, the temperature is good. It's not raining outside. The wind is okay. So let's see if it is playable outside or not. And it says 1. So yeah, it's playable. And the temperature is a bit high in the second one. Cannot play outside, obviously. And it's not precipitating outside. It's not raining or snowing. And the wind speed is also okay. So can we play outside? No. And the last one, it's raining outside. The temperature is okay. I mean, it's a bit lower than normal, but okay. See if we can play outside. And we cannot play outside because it's raining. So yeah, that's all. Now, for the part B, we had to create a CSV file, at least three features, and 30% of that is used as a data set. And let's see if we can find out if the person has COVID-19 or not. So for the dataset, I use this covid.csv file. It has body temperature in Fahrenheit, the status of symptoms. 1, it means the person has symptoms. 0 means person doesn't have any symptoms of COVID-19. Then we have the contact. It's a Boolean value. So if the person has been in contact with another person that had COVID-19, um, that had COVID-19, it'll say 1, and if not, it'll say 0. And for if the person is COVID positive, then it says 1 as the label, and 0 if the person is not COVID positive. So I made the dataset in such a way that at least two of the values have to be in the COVID range for the person to be confirmed with COVID, right? So first we'll import the libraries, then splitting it into features and labels, and then now as we have to use the test data from the same data set that we're using, the same CSV file that we're using, we will split it into the train features, train test, the and I mean the features, train features, and features test, and then we have train labels and then test labels. So we'll use the train test split here, and the test size is 30%, so is 0.3. Now we'll call the classifier. It's called my classifier in part B, And now we'll use the train values, the features and the labels for the training values. Now let's make prediction on the test features. Let's go, and this is what the system predicts. Let's see what this has. Okay, so somewhere it's lacking behind. And let's see the accuracy score for this one. So it's 70% accurate. I mean, if it needs a bigger data size to be more accurate. And I think that's it for this assignment. Thank you and have a nice day.